Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can export this scene or any other scene as an MP4 video format. So it's pretty easy, so let's jump right into the tutorial on how you can export video in Blender without wasting any second. So what you have to do is to select this scene, click on it, click on output properties, and then from here you can change the resolution. You can also type the right resolution that you want for your video. Here we also have the frame rate and aspect ratio. You can change frame. Usually what I do, I just change it to 60 or 30. Usually I use 30, sometimes I use 30. There's a lot of details and it will really help if I have 60 FPS. And if you want to render the entire video, just here write 1 to 50. From here choose where you want to save the files. Click on this icon and then select a folder. I'll go with the videos folder, accept. And also here please select file format. That's what I'm using most of the time, just the video. There's no other stuff, just the image. And here encoding container, please select MP4. And here if you want you can change the video coder, but this is the most used one, H.264. You can change the output quality, but usually what I like to use is just the low quality or medium when I'm just testing something. But if I render something with a lot of details, then I'm not using high quality, and encoding you can use good. Now just click on render and render animation or Control F12. Okay, here we have frames 60, 35, 39, 40, 46, okay, 50. And here I have the format file MP4, as you can see, and here is just the video. So, and let me know guys in the comment section if this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for daily tutorials. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.